Hello and welcome. Today we're going to share some insight on best practices related to business intelligence and encrypting data at rest on the IBM I. Nearly 60% of employees do not understand their role in the organization's security culture, including working with data. Every day, workers are exchanging data with companies and trading partners in ways that potentially compromise your security structure and leaves data unprotected. When it comes to data extraction with tools like NGS-IQ, there are safeguards available to protect sensitive information as well as meet regulatory compliance. Encrypting data at rest is a critical component of business intelligence. If you think about it, when someone accesses data from a dashboard or report and exports it to a spreadsheet or PDF, the organization has effectively lost control of that data. While NGS-IQ is effective in extracting data in whatever format the user requires, it's essential that personally identifiable information, such as credit card and social security numbers, are never exposed. How do you prioritize security over data at rest? First, encrypt and mask database fields in DB2 on the IBM I. Even if you can restrict exporting data with NGS-IQ, allowing unauthorized users to view sensitive data still poses risks and is likely non-compliant. Secondly, while the integrated file system is a convenient area to share data with the IBM I, it too needs to be protected. Lastly, any device backups of your data should be encrypted fully to comply with PCI or HIPAA regulations. Whatever method you choose to protect data at rest, NGS-IQ is not the only tool accessing that data. Your business processes often require different applications and servers to interpret your encrypted data without sacrificing security. Is it difficult to implement a data security solution? While IBM started providing APIs in v7.r1 to allow you to encrypt data in database fields, this could be time-consuming and may require significant database and programming changes. Implementing encryption requires extensive testing for compatibility with external applications like file utilities or NGS-IQ, and oftentimes does not include the separation of duties, key management, and auditing required to be compliant with industry regulations. And what if the programmers working on that project end up leaving and there is an issue with the encryption process? If you're considering disk encryption, it's important to recognize that this will not protect you from a data breach or theft. Once someone gains access to your system, all safeguards are removed and you may be fully exposed. Tools like NGS-IQ could even be turned into snooping software in this scenario. Disk encryption should not be considered a viable solution to this problem, as that's just encrypting the disk, so if someone steals the hard drive and tries to put it in another server, it will not work. For companies using the IBM I to store their corporate data, getting that data into meaningful and useful formats is made easier with tools like NGS-IQ. NGS works closely with IBM's platform development team to ensure NGS-IQ uses the best techniques and methods found in the operating system and database to deliver business information to business people. Business intelligence is key to NGS, and we take corporate data security seriously. With several thousand companies around the world using NGS-IQ, we recognize that not every technical challenge can be met by any one tool. Want to learn more? Feel free to click on the link below to read more about securing your data at rest on the IBM I and NGS-IQ.